In this video, I'm going to show you how you can act money on Clickbank. This is going to be in step-by-step tutorial, and all I'm going to show you is actually beginner friendly. Hey, hello, my name is Ian Castillo, and welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial for those who are looking to earn money with Clickbank. Okay, this is actually something that I really feel passionate about because Clickbank, it's what we call an affiliate marketplace. You have a lot of products that you can choose and you can promote. And one of the cool reasons, and well, at least it's cool for me, um, I'm I'm talking about this topic is the fact that I was able to replace not one but two full-time jobs just because of this uh, thing that I'm going to show you. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm telling you, because with Clickbank, there are literally just two type of people. The first one is basically the sellers, those who list their products here on Clickbank. They create everything, they take care of everything. And here on Clickbank, I'm going to show you more of that in a moment. You can find physical products, digital products, but we're going to go with affiliates. Okay, you're going to go with affiliates. As you can see, Clickbank has paid almost $7 billion in commission, and it has over 100,000 active affiliates. I think this is the very first one affiliate marketplace. It's really reliable. I have been using it for a really long time. So you will need to click here where it says affiliate store here, or click here where it says start here. Sometimes they do have a survey, sometimes they don't. Just fill out the form and you're going to be good to go. You don't need to pay anything in order to be part of Clickbank. Now, you're going to see that you have tons of categories. If I click here, you're going to see that, for example, we have art and entertainment, we have business, we have computers, we have cooking, e-business and e-marketing. We have fiction, games, green products, healthy products, or health products, health and fitness, home and gardening, and different categories here. And if I put my mouse over, you're going to see that, for example, here I have on art and entertainment, I have photography, body art, dance, film and television. So you have subcategories. Okay. Just in case that you are wondering, like, Diana, what's the top three niches? Okay. And actually, this is after you did the very first step is that you need to create a Clickbank product. It's, well, the top three are health, wealth, and relationships. The reason why those are the top three niches is because people are looking to solve a problem. Okay. If you feel sick, you are going to find, a way in which you're going to get your health back. Okay. If you have a special someone, or maybe you have an internal situation, you have a problem with yourself, okay, you are going to find a way in which you can actually solve that problem. So that's the reason why those are the top three niches. That doesn't mean that you cannot promote products on any other niche. Quite the contrary, you can actually do it. Okay, but I'm just telling you, as I told you, all the tips and everything here. So now you will need to find a product to promote. Okay, and here we are actually on the marketplace. In this case, I rather prefer to go with e-business and marketing, and I sort everything here by gravity from high to low. What does it mean? It means that there are a lot of affiliates who are actually earning money with the product that we are actually gonna go with. And for example, here we have this one, which is live chat jobs. Okay. The average people who are actually earning, it's 780. The gravity is 99. So that means that 99 people are actually earning money with this. Okay. You can go with this one, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This is actually a product that I have promoted in the past. It's convert really well. Okay. These three products, to be honest, they are from the same vendor. Okay. They're actually from the same vendor. So that means that it's actually the same seller. Okay. So here, for example, we have instant doodles. We have this with the reviews. We have, for example, this one that pays uh, a maximum of over $800, $821. Okay. So you are going to see that you're going to have, a lot of products that here you can promote. Okay. I'm really passionate about e-business and e-marketing. And also I really like business because that's the topic that I actually talk the most. So that's a reason why I am actually telling you this. The other thing is that once you choose a product to promote, you can click here where it says view affiliate page, and you're going to have more information about the product, like the target audience and all the stuff. Okay. You're going to click here and view the sales page. Okay. Sometimes they do have a video, sometimes they don't. Okay. So take that into consideration. And now you're going to click here where it says get affiliate link. Okay. You're going to choose your nickname. You're going to click here where it says continue. And here, this actually here at the bottom that says my link, this is going to be your affiliate link. The only thing that you need to do right now is copy it. Okay. So that's actually your affiliate link. So now we already have the product that we're going to promote. So we need a traffic source. Basically, a traffic source, it's literally eyeballs. We need to have people who are actually looking for our product, okay? Or the product that we're going to promote, where they are. Well, everybody's online right now. They're on Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, you name it, okay? Everybody, it's online. In this case, I'm going to show you a strategy based on the niche that I choose and what's a great traffic source. A great traffic source for this, it's going to be Instagram. Okay. It's an actually a traffic source that I really like. As you can see, you can create a simple Instagram account just like this one. This is something that works really well with this niche, which are positive quotes. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay. So as you can see, this is actually super simple. It's literally like this one. It has over 5,000 hearts or likes. It was posted 6 hours ago. And it's just simple text. Okay. This is just simple text. Okay. How we can actually do this? We have two options. The very first one is that you can find accounts that you like and you can model. Also, you can actually go and ask ChatGPT like, hey, I want quotes. Okay. And I'm showing you here two styles. For example, I have this one, which is literally black and white images and a quote. Okay. Super easy, super simple. I'm showing you this because I don't want you guys to overcomplicate things. And these are things that actually work. So literally, you're going to go to ChatGPT, you're going to go to DeepSeek, and you're going to tell them like, hey, this is actually my niche. I want to create content. Okay. I was simple text that I can share. And this actually works on any niche. Okay. I'm showing you just an example in the niche that I actually choose. Okay. Now we need to create content. Do not overcomplicate things. To show you super easy, super simple. Just images that you can actually do, and you can actually do this on Canva. You can also go to a website such as Etsy, and you can find here motivational quotes. As you can see here, I have 900 motivational reels that I can use for less than $30. I have here 1,200 that I can use images as a background. I can add my own quotes. Okay. I have here 6,000 videos that I can use. So literally you can purchase it here. I have this one, 6,000 videos, 200 photos, literally $2 at the time recording this video. This one, 69 cents. So there's a lot of options. The only thing is that you need to be consistent whenever you're creating content if you really want to attract a lot of eyeballs. Okay, you really need to be consistent. That's key. That's something that we actually need. Now, we need a simple two-step system, okay? Because we need to understand that people are not with their wallet like, hey, I'm going to purchase everything that shows up right away because because no, that's not something that happens. Sometimes, people get distracted. Sometimes their family member call them. Sometimes they are interested, but they don't have, the money right away. It's not a no. It's just that not yet, not right now. I'm not ready for this. Okay. So take that into consideration. So that's the reason why we have a two-step simple system in which we literally are going to we're going to capture their information. We're going to capture their name and email address. Okay. Then we're going to create a bridge page. Sometimes people miss this step, but I actually prefer to have it because I'm going to introduce the product that we're going to promote. Okay. How do you can actually create this? There is a tool that I actually use that it's called System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below. It's an all-in-one marketing solution that I actually use because I can create this type of system in which people are going to get the information via email like right away. Okay. And this is how we actually earn money. And the cool thing, as you notice, you have a tons of products that you can promote. Okay. So just why are you going to be earning money for just one product when you can earn money from different products? It doesn't make sense. So take that into consideration. So use the link below, open your 100% free account. Then you're going to go here where it says sites. Then you're going to click here where it says sales funnels. Then click here where it says create. Use a name. This is just for your internal reference. Choose a domain that you already connected. You can actually get a domain for less than $20 a year. And you're going to click here where it says build an audience. Okay, with that, you're going to have the system that you actually need. And you're going to have the two pages. One cool thing that I really like about System.io, it's that it's super simple to edit. It's drag and drop. You can have a free account, literally, and you can have your system up and running in no time. Okay, their support is really actually top notch. As I told you, thanks to this system, I was actually able to replace not one but two full-time jobs. Okay, just by actually doing this because it gave me the opportunity to promote different products on autopilot. Okay. Now you need to take into consideration that if you really want to earn with this, and if you're really serious about this, you need to be creating content. Okay. It's not like, okay, I'm going to be creating content just one time and that's it. And as I show you here, it's super simple. I haven't showed you anything overcomplicated here. Everything is super, super, super simple, but you need to do it. Okay. That's the key. That's the magic here is that you need to do it. So where do you put the link for the system? It's actually this link. Okay. Is this link? This is where you're going to put your link for your system. Okay. So I hope you enjoy this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.